All right, last video of the night. It is January 26th, Tuesday. Small cap madness going on as I talk right now. I was looking at AMC. Let's take a look at it real fast. You can see here, look at this. Bottom two November. January, look at the volume. 577 million. Almost 1 billion in volume. Well, half a billion. But you get the point. After hours, this went to 823. Blew by that 7 line. Never seen anything like this. And you can see it back and forth. The next line I would see on this is, let me see here, 9. Right here, that 9 line, you can see pretty big. And then 9, 10, up to 12. So incredible. Look at the monthly in this. But can you see in this is, double top 36, 2016, 17 came all the way down. You see it bottomed at 2. And this big candle here, stochastics coming up. We'll see if this can get to 10, 12. And then who knows from there. It's just been incredible. So things are running. It's pretty insane. It's the stock market. All right, RKDA, Arcadia Biosciences, 36 million market cap, minus 19 million income, 1.3 million sales, 9.88 million float. Announces 25.1 million private placement today. Stock dropped. It operates in the United States, Canada, Africa, India. It's founded in 2002 in Davis, California. Consumer-driven agriculture technology company, engages in various crop productivity traits: hemp, wheat, and soybean. What else did it say here? Something important here. Did I miss? Collaborations with Ardent Mills, LLC, Cordova Agri-Science, Arista Cereal Seeds, and Bay State Milling Company. All right, the monthly in this, you can clearly see this wasn't 170 because of the split, but from 2016, this came crashing down. The usual crashing down route. The weekly, this bounced all the way to like 60, 50, then became sideways. You look closer now. From that move in 2018, this fell all the way to about almost 250, slightly above, and then this bounced to 10 plus 2019 and bounced low in August, which has been the low since then. It hasn't gone lower. 181 bounced to 10 again. So this 850 line is very big too. I can't get over that. And then you see right here, look at this, high, lower, lower. Look at the highs, the trend line. I can't beat this trend line, but it's holding 250 here. So, we're going to squeeze out of this. See this 1, 2, 3, 4 moves. You try to get over 350, didn't work. You pull back. You want this 3 to hold, or else you're going back to 275, 250, which you don't want. So let's try to see if this can get over 350. And then, take it, quarter or 50 cents. We can get back up to, maybe this 4 level into the 5 level. Let's see what happens here if this is really going to squeeze soon. All right, it's RKDA. OPGN. This is healthcare diagnostics, 54 million market cap, minus 21 million income, sales 3.7 million, float 18 million. I don't see no recent news. It's incorporated 2001 in Gaithersburg, Maryland. Precision medicine company, engages developing molecular information products and services in the United States, internationally. Strategic collaboration with New York State Department of Health to develop solution to detect, track antimicrobial resistant infections, healthcare institutions. Were they in the COVID space? They got to be in COVID. Looking anything COVID. Yeah, antibody test. That was way back when. Yep, they're in the COVID space. Monthly. This wasn't 2600, but it was very high up. 2015. You had 2 splits. Go down to the weekly. You can see there bounced high, but it kept getting lower until it flattened out. And here you have it here. So let's take a look. Bottom of this gap is 12. This goes all the way back to 2019. You see this big gap from 18 down to 12. Tried June, tried in September, then did a split. Then this really fell off the wheels from 7 down to the good old one line. There's another gap. Then it bounced up. 4, 4, 4 again in August. Yeah, here we have it. So we're stuck between 1 and 4. You're in the middle of this gap. It's at 242. And it looks like it's slowly grinding here. Nothing special. We can get over 250. I'm looking at 3 to get to 4 on this. The low's been holding pretty much this 175 for a long time, since almost last year. So you want this to hold at 2, maybe 175 at worst. So I bring these lines all the way over. See right here, so from that gap, this has been down and sideways. It's flattening a base, and we got a lot of room up here to run. So I think this is good longer term too. Potential in this. All right, onward we go. SLRX, Healthcare, Slurius Pharmaceuticals, 23 million market cap, minus 7 million, plus income sales 4.8 million, float 16 million. Regains compliance with NASDAQ minimum bid price. I think they got to get over 1, I believe. Company was headquartered in Houston, Texas. Let me see what else to say here. Strategic partnership with University of Utah. HLB Life Sciences, South Korea, Research Institute of Texas. Clinical stage biotechnology company develops epigenetic-based cancer treatments. On the monthly, you can clearly see this was not 600. There was a split, but look how high up, and it bounced down, and this really dropped off. The wheels dropped off, you could say. Going to the daily, you had a split back in July. It was 24, then this thing dropped. Now you see the 450 line all the way to 2. Big gap here. And then we fell. Try to get this over here. We fell to, what's this line, 50 cents? Yeah, about 60 cents. So the 60-cent line is right here. And then we bounced April, May. Look at this, right almost 2 into this gap. So didn't make it. Fell back again to 60. Big volume, got a 1 to 1, just 140, 135. And then right now we're going back and forth. Seems like we can't get over this 140 line. So you want 120 to hold here, if not 1. Very important level. We're still getting higher lows. So right here you can see that 140 line. And then after that you have 150, this gap, and this move here, this covered this gap up, but it's still, you have a big space back there. It has to be completely up, to get it. You got to throw it and then hold. So we almost touched 2, didn't. So this has room to run here. Again, look at the base here. Flattening at 60. Bottom. Volume's still pretty good, but it looks like it's trending down a little bit. We'll see if we get a bounce here. It might fall back to the 1 line now. But an interesting chart in this too. All right, last one, BDSI. Biodelivery Sciences, 418 market cap, 418 million. Income 14.8 million, sales 145 million, float 98 million, higher float. Yeah, I don't see no news recently, really nothing. It's founded in 1997, headquartered in Raleigh, North Carolina. It is a specialty pharmaceutical company, engages development, commercialization of pharmaceutical products in the United States, internationally. All right, so let's look at this one. Yeah, the monthly, this is an all-time, pretty much one line. Got slightly below it in 2012. And then if you take this line, what line is this? This line all the way over, and this 3 line. See this back and forth? So for almost 7, 8 years, this has been between 1 and 5, and climbed to 18. And we fell all the way back in 15, 16 year, got up to 7. So we're back in this channel here. So a big channel between this 3 and like 5-ish, and then you have the all-time 1. So let's look at the daily or the weekly. Look at the weekly. See 18 fell back down, made this rounding move all the way up to 7. Now we're back. So let's see where we stand here. Let's see. This 525 line. Right there. So after the move of 7, we crashed down to 3, bounced up to 525 once, twice, more than 3 times this cluster here. And it looks like a double bottom from November. See that? We got as high as almost 5, but now we're fading. Stochastic's oversold here. I think we can get a bounce maybe right here, maybe tomorrow. 4, if we get to 4, maybe a bounce. Now, if not 4, then you don't want to see this going below, much below 4. Because see the lows here getting higher, getting higher. You can draw your line right here. Once you almost break that, you're in a downtrend. It's not good. So trying to get it at the 525 line. It's pretty much a channel now. See this back and forth. Had that one big ridge, but it's been between this zone. So it'll be interesting right now. See what it does. I don't want it to go below 4. If not, where are you going? Where are you stopping exactly? It is oversold though, so that's good. Look at all oversold points. You will bounce. We'll see what happens on this. But it's definitely down right now, and the next thing should be a bounce, or else you're going lower for a while. And the volume's not great, only like 900,000. All right, so that's it on this one. That's it for tonight. Please subscribe to Mike Gaming Trades and hit the like button. TradeIdeas.com referral, check it out. Twitter, MikeFrank007. TikTok, MikeFrank Instagram, MikeFrank98. Stock Twits, Mike Gaming Trades. Have a good night, and that is it. Peace.